In this video, we're going to contrast the file upload user-defined action in Action JavaScript with the file upload Amazon S3 action. So the two actions both allow you to upload multiple files, but they have very different sets of properties. So let's take a look first at the file upload user-defined action. So here we go, file upload user-defined. And this action allows you to upload multiple files at once, and then once all the files have been uploaded and the files are being uploaded to the Alpha Anywhere server, then an XBasic function that you create is called, and this XBasic function has access to the all of the files that were uploaded. On the other hand, when you upload files to Amazon S3, you can upload multiple files as we've done here, but there's no XBasic function that is called after all the files have been uploaded as there is in the file upload user-defined action. So what if you do in fact want to execute some XBasic after all the files have been uploaded? So in this video we're going to show how you can do that. So the file upload Amazon S3 action has a JavaScript event that fires after all of the files have been uploaded. So this is the onUpload complete all files function, and if you look here in the help, you'll see that this function gives you access inside the E object to e.fileArray, which is an array with all of the information about the files that were uploaded. So if we go and take a look here at the JavaScript that we've written for this event, you can see that what we're doing is we're taking the information in the e.fileArray and then we're going to stringify it into a JSON string. So underbar D now is a string that contains the JSON format of this array. And then because we want to use this data in an Ajax callback, we need to in effect URL encode the data. So this built-in function a5.ajax build URL parameter is going to create a name value parameter. It's going to create underbar file array equals and then the URL encoded version of underbar D, and then we're going to make an Ajax callback, and you can see in the syntax of our Ajax callback we're going to call back to a XBasic function called XB after upload, and then in the additional data section we're going to pass in data. So when this XBasic function executes in the E object of the XBasic function, we're going to see a value called e.underbar file array. So let's go ahead now and look at the XBasic function. So here's the XBasic function, and then you can see here's our e.fileArray, which we know is in JSON format. So we've got here JSON data equals e.underbar file array, and then we're going to pass that JSON string into a XBasic dot variable, and then I'm going to just open up the debugger so we can actually see what's inside this p variable. So let's go now and actually run the component. So we'll go here and we'll choose several files. So we'll go there and choose a whole bunch of files and then go ahead and click open. So you can see the uploads start taking place, and then when the uploads have all finished, basically the XBasic function gets called, and here we are in the XBasic function, and we can see now that the p variable is now an array with 9 items in it. And then, for example, if we look at any one of those particular array items, we can see that that the target name, so this is the name of the object on Amazon S3, is that, there's its size, etc. So now we can write any XBasic that we want to, say, persist these object names into a database, or do whatever we would have done in the standard file upload action. So what we've shown in this video here is how the file upload to Amazon S3 can be used as a replacement for the standard file upload user-defined action in Action JavaScript. Thanks very much for watching.